Yeah, what's up, guys? This is the AJ DJ AQW. This is the older one. All right, and I want to show you these nice things that I made here. I feel I've perfected this compared to the other videos here, and I'm actually quite active with these. And actually, I haven't made some in a while, but I'm just getting back to it. And here's the ones that I just finished recently. It actually takes really long to make these, so I'm just, yeah. I'll show you the blades in a little bit, but this is my box right here. Before I actually got started again, when I was done, or these are the kinds of patterns that I made. Colors. I use metallic pens. It's really art. Art of the Philippines. Art of style color. And yeah, alright, back to the blades. Alright, this is a dirty blade. I just had it for a while. My first good blade that I actually ever made. Others, some have failed. I go through a specific process making these. Here's the one that I made recently. You can see hammer, sickle, and star. This one is the crisp blade. Dedicated to Russia. This one, I don't know, I just like to decorate it, cause I don't know, I don't really see a lot of kids with these, but it's good. It's good that a lot of kids don't have these or know how to make them. I may try to put on tutorial, but it depends on how many views or requests I get. Yeah, I go through a booklet that I made, very specific, very strict way of making these things. But other than that, thanks for watching. Very, very strong. Well, not stab strong, but it's good.